Hello and welcome to Froggity Frog Crochet and this stitch guide on how to crochet the bottom linked double crochet stitch. So this is a linked stitch, but usually linked double crochet are linked in the middle of the stitch. This one links at the bottom and it gives it a very different look to the regular type of stitch. So to start this stitch, you're going to need a foundation chain in any number of stitches that you choose, plus 2 for your turning chain. So to start our bottom linked double crochet, I'm going to make a double crochet in the 3rd chain from our hook. And this double crochet counts as the 1st stitch of our row. I'm just going to pop a stitch marker in there. So there's 2 different ways of making a linked double crochet. And that depends, how you make it depends on which part of the stitch you link. So a regular linked double crochet goes into this middle bar here, but the bottom linked goes into the side bar here. So yarn over, push your hook into that side bar, and then straight into the next chain. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, leaves 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. So it kind of looks like a half double crochet on top. Yarn over, insert your hook into the side bar. Ignore this diagonal bar. You're going into this side bar here. Hook into the next chain. Yarn over, pull up a loop. 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. It leaves 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Okay, so these stitches are all linked at the bottom, not at the top. And that's all there is to the linked bottom linked double crochet. You just repeat this all the way across. Yarn over, go through the bottom side bar, hook straight into the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, leaves 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. You can see how that stitch comes together. You'll get these diagonal stitches right at the bottom, and then it'll look quite regular at the top. So because of the way we're making this, this is quite a thick stitch, but once you get into the rhythm of it, it's a really easy stitch to make. So as long as you know which part of that bottom stitch you're working into, and make sure you go into the next chain before you do anything, it all works up rather nicely. So ignore that diagonal bar, go into the side loop, then into the next chain. And you pull through 2 loops and pull through 3. So sometimes you might need to push that diagonal bar out of the way to get to your side bar. But always work into the side. Oh, something went wrong there. Never mind, we shall carry on. I shall fix that later. Into the side bar. And you carry that on all the way across your row. Okay, so that's row 1. And we turn. So to start your next row, you turn chain 1 and make, no, you chain 3, sorry. Don't chain 1, you chain 3. Oh, it's also automatic mode there. So this chain 3 does not count as a stitch. And then in the first stitch, we make a regular double crochet. Okay, and that double crochet is the first stitch of our row. Okay, so there's diagonal bar, and here's the side loop down here. So exactly the same as we did in the row below. And just work those linked. What did I just do there? I pulled a loop through, didn't I? That's probably what went wrong with the row below. So I just got a bit out of rhythm there. So into the side loop, but then straight into the next stitch. Yarn over, into the sidebar, straight into the next stitch. Yarn over into the sidebar, straight into the next stitch, and repeat that all the way across. So just a nice repetitive stitch. It's a bit of a different look to usual. Because we're linking the stitches, even though it's only in the bottom half, it does make quite a solid stitch and quite a thick stitch as well. So just finish this row and into the last stitch of the row. And there we go. So it makes this lovely kind of strange angle to it, but it's got a lovely look. And if you get it between your fingers, it's quite thick. But that is the linked double crochet. And you just repeat row 2 until you have as many rows as you need. And there is your stitch guide on how to crochet the bottom linked double crochet stitch. I would love to see what you make with this stitch. Please do come and show us over in our Facebook group, Froggity Frogs Ribbit and Stitch. The link is beneath the video. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel as well for more crochet stitches, crochet patterns and hints and tips as well. So thank you for watching, and I shall see you next time in the next video. Bye for now.